you?
I am perfectly fine too. बहुत ठंड हो रही है. It's very cold, but
Same here. It seems because we both are wearing hoodies, so it appears weather
absolutely.
cold wave
Ab-
is going on. I think.
Yeah, but it's the season, so it's rather instead
Yeah,
we shouldn't cry about it and try to enjoy
enjoy.
it.
Yeah, true. So true. It's a positive way to take things.
Exactly, exactly.
There are two things. Either we can like, oh, it's too cold, and what we can do. Another thing is let's have a tea and fighters and enjoy the weather.
Absolutely. Well, I'm not a very outdoor person. I like to stay indoors a lot. But a little about me. Hello, my name is Priyanshi, and I am a psychology student at Delhi University. And it will be very nice to take your session. And I'm very happy to have you on board with Talkie. So, I have certain questions for you. If you know that today's topic is travel, right?
Mm.
So, I'll ask you some basic questions and you please answer them. Okay?
Yeah, sure, sure.
Are you nervous? Don't be nervous, okay?
No, 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 not at all.
No, don't be nervous. People get nervous. Even I get nervous if somebody asks me to, answer certain questions.
Oh,
So,
I love to answer the questions.
oh, you love questions. So tell
Unless
me, do you
unless
like?
unless they are not for mathematics.
Yeah, me too. Me too, completely. So tell me, do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
Love traveling. Why?
Because it's one of my hobbies, and through traveling, we learn a lot of things, explore new places, explore many things while traveling. We get to meet a lot of new people and new places, and we get to know that how the world is. Because as they say that if you don't get out of the box you have been raised in, you won't understand that how much bigger the world is.
Absolutely, very correct statement. I completely agree with you. Given that I'm not somebody who likes to travel, I don't like traveling at all. They make me so sick.
Oh,
Okay.
so
It's like I'm one of those person who stays indoors, likes to study, have a proper meal, and do not like to travel a lot. I
so
just
kind
don't.
studious girl can say.
No, probably because I don't like to, change and move out of my comfort zone.
Oh, that is why.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So,
So
do you travel for personal reasons or is it a hobby for you?
it's a hobby, but I'm looking for work where I will have to travel for my work purpose. So it will be no work anymore, because now I love to travel and I'm traveling for my work. So it will like fun work,
It
because
will be a leisure activity for you.
yeah. So I'm
Absolutely.
looking for a work where I have to travel, I would say on the daily basis or maybe on the alternate day.
Okay. So, but don't you think that will create a lot of chaos in your life, traveling every other day?
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so? Okay,
Uh,
that's your opinion. Okay. So, so you like to travel, it's your hobby, you like to meet new people and you love to learn things from them. So tell me, what is one of those things that ever touched you while you were traveling? Anything that could feel personally attached to you. You felt personally attached to it. It hit you so bad that you remember it for life, right? We have experiences of that kind. So tell me something about one of those experiences.
Uh, Especially, I haven't experienced this exact thing so far, but still, I would say that when we are traveling, and then last time when I traveled to Shimla and Manali, so what I know that the places, the nature, the people of Himachal Pradesh and Shimla, Manali, I would say it was amazing. I would like to go again and again there. Apart from that,
Okay.
while traveling, we learn another things like how we have to book the hotels, we have to take uh, transport stations. So it will like you will be like uh, dealing every day with the different people, plus handling the taking new decision, where to stay, what to eat, and through which mode of transport we have to travel. So outside
You
makes
have
you
to maintain finances also, right? You have to
yeah,
maintain finances
so
also.
it makes you a better person overall, I would say.
It does. It does. I agree with you. So you are somebody who likes to travel. You like to travel on mountains, as I can figure out so far.
Yeah.
Ever been to Rajasthan?
Yes, Rajasthan, because I'm from MP and Rajasthan. Basically, I live in Rajasthan MP border. My
Okay.
district adjoining to the Rajasthan. So Rajasthan is
Okay.
not very far from my place. So yeah, I traveled many times Rajasthan. Not so far, like I haven't traveled to desert yet, but yeah, I would say still many forts and historical places as well as Udaipur and Jaipur, Chittor kind of places I have been to.
Okay. Even I've been to Rajasthan and I really enjoyed my trips to Rajasthan. That's one
So
of my favorite places to go to.
where in
Sorry.
Rajasthan?
I have been to Jaisalmer, Bikaner, Jaipur, Udaipur, Jodhpur. Only
Okay,
these so far.
I
But
think all places are amazing.
yes, it is. Actually, I don't like mountains much. I don't like
Uh,
mountains at all.
so like a beach
So
person, a mountain person, or like to visit historical places, or like to visit cities and kind of things.
I like to visit cities. I like to visit places that have some historical relevance and importance to them. I am not somebody who likes to be on mountains because they are cold. I don't like cold.
Oh,
I don't like
nice.
I don't like anything that is wet or cold. So
By the
tell me
way,
about your other hobbies besides from traveling.
other hobbies, I like playing cricket, listening to music, reading books, learning new things, meeting people, and yeah, definitely like to improve myself.
That is a very important hobby. I wish everybody could, inculcate that. So, tell me, you just said that you like to learn new things, right? You said that you like to learn new things. So, what is that last new thing that you learned recently? Abhi, what you have learned recently, one new thing that you learned?
Okay, so recently, during this Corona period, I've learned many things because I belong to a farmer family. And
Hmm.
before this Corona, because I was out of my village or my town cause of the study purpose and etc. So I was not involved much in the agricultural activities. Before that, not
Okay.
much. Yeah, I was doing a little bit, but not much. But before this Corona, so I was at my home for 2 years almost. So I learned almost all the things which is related to agriculture, like driving tractors, how to plow the fields, how to take out the crop.
So, could you please elaborate on how that has changed you as a person? Like, altogether as a person, what change has it brought in you? You said you like to, improve yourself. So, what change has it brought altogether in you that all of these hobbies, we have hobbies to improve ourselves, to, I would say, to make ourselves a better version of what we were previously. So, what are those changes that these hobbies brought for you?
Okay, so there are many things that has helping me to improve myself with these hobbies, like traveling. If I talk about traveling, then what happens is that most of my friends, like not most, but a few friends of mine don't like travel. So when we have to go out, or maybe they have to go out for work purpose, so they are not willing to go out. And like many people, what do is that they just wasting their times. Like, so when I'm free, so I don't like watching irrelevant stuff on the YouTube. I would like to learn new things. Like, if I don't know something, like how is share market works, whether I don't want to work or don't want to work in the share market, but still I would like to know some basic knowledge or terms of the share market, that how it works, how one can join share market, how one can trade in the share markets, and
Hmm.
etc. Many of the things I would like to search new things, that how technology is taking place, how we can I would say how we can fill a GST, how the GST process is, and if you want to start a business, how to register a company, and many things. I just somehow get to know. Sometimes YouTube recommends me that kind of stuff, because I'm always watching this kind of things. So yeah,
YouTube knows you are a smart person, I guess. YouTube
I,
knows that.
yeah, you
YouTube
might.
knows.
So yeah, that is the thing, and I don't play like. many people are playing PUBG and doing the things that is not going to help them at all. And many people now maybe listening to us would say that yeah, many people are earning through the PUBGs, but not many. I would say a little or a
It's
few
not a
people are.
permanent thing. It's not a
Yeah.
permanent thing.
So maybe they are running, but it's not permanent. Plus, not many people can do. Only a few people who are doing this or getting a lot of money through it. So that is also the thing. But I believe in learning new skills and learning new things that will help me later in my career to earn something to live a happy and better life.
Correct. You have to learn skills. You have to hone your skills, sharpen them, and so that you can use them for life. And as you just said that you don't like to waste your time. Nobody should waste their time because time is money,
Time is
isn't it?
money. I would say we can earn money, but we can't earn a single second of time.
Yes.
So I
Correct.
would I would give preference to time rather than money.
That is a good thing. Very good.
Because
So,
we can, if we have time, we can earn money. But if we have money, we can't earn time.
yes, true. We just had a very good endorsed conversation, and it was very fruitful, I guess, for both of us. I learned a lot of things about how travel is good for me, which
So
I
you
know it
can't-
is, but you somehow changed my mind about traveling. But since this was an in talkie session, so we have to also focus on the other part, which was your English. So, would you like me to draw a certain conclusion and tell you what I think about you could
Sure,
be
sure.
wonderful if you worked on
Your
them?
your feedback is always welcome.
Okay, so first thing, your confidence. I'll applaud for that. It was wonderful. Keep it up. I always tell my students that even if you're saying the wrong thing, even if you're saying something that is not up to the point, but if you say it with confidence, the world will believe it, right?
Yeah, amazing.
That is a diplomatic,
That's a kind of
101 Sigma rule.
Sigma rule, can say.
Yes. So one has to be very confident, and I'm very happy to know that you are absolutely confident in whatever you say. Speak it with confidence, keep it up. You'll get to greater heights. But there are certain things that you can work on to, better something that is already good, just to make it more perfect. We are on a road to perfection and we have to make it better. So, something that I think could work for you is your pronunciation. You know, your pronunciation. You have to say, if you come across a word which you do not know, or you're reading for the first time in a newspaper or probably in some YouTube video or anywhere, and you like that word, you understand the meaning, but you want to know the correct pronunciation, go to Google, search the pronunciation, speak over and over again, and use it in your daily conversation. You learn that word. Okay. Second thing is your vocabulary. Your vocabulary is a bit limited. Don't you think so?
Yeah,
You agree with me?
I think so.
Yeah. So you have to work on your vocabulary. And how will you work on your vocabulary? I'll tell you. When I was 12 years old, I moved to a new city. And here everybody spoke in English. And I was the only one who couldn't speak in English at all.
Okay.
At all. And I was a good student. I scored great marks, but I was not able to understand and speak in English. So I went home. I started to read newspapers when I was only 12 and 13. Can you believe that? Newspaper at the age of 12 and 13. I had this little notebook and I used to write words in it with pencil, and I did not even read them again. But this held me. So your vocabulary can always be enriched when you read more. When you read more, when you explore more, just like you explore new places in Himalayas and everywhere, no, explore new words in English. English, जितना प्यार English को दोगे, इतना ही प्यार तुम्हें English देगी. It's always like that. Secondly, if I talk about the grammar portion, you have to work on your prepositions and sentence formation.
Mhm.
If you know, matlab, you were expressing something, and sentence plotting is not sometimes correct, and it is okay. It will take a very long time to plot the sentences correctly, but there has to be a start. So you can start on your sentence plotting. The sentence को जिस तरह plot कर रहे हैं, they are correct and they are effective. Whatever you speak has to be spoken with confidence, with correct grammar, and with absolutely on point vocabulary, and these three things will make you, will nobody will be able to stop you.
Okay,
Whoever you speak it to, they all will be influenced, always. So your sentence plotting and your prepositions. Work a bit on your prepositions. They are not bad. They are not, wrong or something. You can just work on them a little bit. Just go through the topic once. Just revise it once again. But besides this, if I talk about the whole review and feedback, you were very confident. First thing, clear about your ideas, which is very important. The second thing, and third, I like your convincing skills. The way you convince people, the way you convinced me how traveling is good. And even I agree, traveling is good for your body and mind and soul. Like you've been working in this lockdown, right? We're working consistently and trying to get somewhere. It's good to take a break. So you convinced me, right? So these things are your plus points, and these and the ones that I said previously are not your negatives. You just need to work on them to bring them to your positive side. Okay.
sure, sure.
So altogether, it was a great session. So just know that you have to, since today was the vocabulary, as I mentioned, vocabulary. So for today's topic, you could have used word like check-in. When you check into a hotel, you write, find that register, show your Aadhaar card, and the person verifies whether you're a legit man or not, and then gives you the room. Then
Mm.
you ask the porter to take your suitcases and everything, and you pay them a tip. Then you have you can use words like sightseeing. I like sightseeing, and I have to plan my itinerary. And I like backpacking for a trek, or something like I like this. I said I like cities. I could have used a word. I like metropolitan cities, the cities with dense population, and all those things. So you have to use a proper, vibrant set of vocabulary to make your answers more effective and more attractive.
Sure, sure.
But besides that, it was wonderful.
Okay. Nice talking to you, Idol.
Nice talking to you too. Chalo,
Okay.
take care. Stay safe.
Code